Hey, this is Steve with BreckDIY. Today's video will be about how to upgrade a built-in cabinet to a more modern style and better use of storage. Honestly, this cabinet is kind of ugly and doesn't flow with the rest of the house. I will show you the final product and then move on to the demo and the steps I took to create this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we go. This is the upgraded closet in the hallway. I bought two 72-inch wire shelves and one 48-inch wire shelf to cut to size with a cutoff wheel. I also bought 10 brackets to support the wire shelf and two 84-inch shelf rails. Now on to the demo. I emptied this entire closet out. However, I did repurpose the main shelf to go under the laminate flooring that will be later installed. If you like what you have seen so far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. This is where the hardwood floor stopped, so I had to square it off using an oscillating saw to be able to install the laminate floors. I had mentioned previously about repurposing the shelf, and this is the piece. I had some leftover paint from a previous project. It was about a half gallon and ended up working out perfectly for me. This is the click-together laminate that went together beautifully. And this is a threshold piece here that I had to pre-drill the holes into, and nails come with it that you just hammer in. Not hard at all. However, the tripod did not seem to like the vibration of me hammering the nails in. The finished product turned out beautiful. However, I forgot to do a video of installing the trim pieces. My apologies. These toggle bolts are what are used to hang the shelf rail. You will need a 1/2-inch drill bit for this. I was trying to get a close-up on the install, however, using one hand proved to be difficult. So what you do is push the metal piece into the hole in the wall and pull it up flat against the sheetrock. You slide the plastic piece tight against the wall and then snap off the excess, and then you'll be able to hang up your rail. I'm planning to make a custom door for this closet, and when I do, I will make a part 2 to this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.